If you're wondering, can you change a domain name on GoDaddy? The short answer is no, not after a domain has been registered. Once you buy a domain, that purchase is permanent, so you cannot edit the name, rename it, or simply fix a typo the way you would edit text in a document. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to explain exactly what you can change, what you cannot change, and what to do if you bought the wrong domain by mistake. If this video helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, let's clear up the biggest misunderstanding. A registered domain is locked in once it's purchased. That means if you typed the wrong spelling, forgot a word, added the wrong extension, or just changed your mind after buying it, you cannot go into GoDaddy and edit that domain into a different one. The domain itself is the product, and the name you purchased is the name you keep. So if you made a typo or bought the wrong domain name, the reality is that you cannot fix it directly. You will need to buy a completely new domain name that matches the one you actually want. That can be frustrating, especially if you already started building a website or branding around the wrong name. But that is how domain registration works across the board, not just on GoDaddy. Now here's the part many people don't know. Even though you can't change the domain name itself, you can change the domain connected to your website or hosting. So if your website is currently using one domain and you want a different domain to point to that same website, that is possible. In other words, you're not changing the registered domain, you're changing which domain is attached to your site or hosting setup. That's an important difference. One is the domain you own, the other is the domain your website uses. So if your goal is to switch your website over to a new domain, GoDaddy can usually help you point that new domain to your hosting, update the connection, and make the new name live for your site. But again, the old domain itself does not get renamed. Now let's talk about the loophole, because this is the best chance you have if you bought the wrong domain recently. GoDaddy may allow a refund if the domain was purchased less than 5 days ago. If you're still within that window, contact GoDaddy support immediately. Explain that you bought the wrong name or made a typo and need to cancel it. In many cases, they will cancel the incorrect domain and refund you, which gives you the chance to buy the correct one instead. Timing matters here. If you wait too long, the refund window can close, and once it's past 5 days, you're usually stuck with the domain you bought. That means the sooner you act, the better your chances. So if you just registered a domain and realized it's wrong, don't hesitate. Open a support ticket or contact GoDaddy right away and ask about the cancellation policy for your new registration. If it has been more than 5 days, then unfortunately, you are stuck with it. At that point, the domain is yours, but you still have a few options. You can keep it, use it for a different project, redirect it later, or simply let it renew if you still want to hold on to it. But you won't be able to edit the registered name itself. So to sum it up, can you change a domain name on GoDaddy? No, not after it's been registered. You cannot rename a purchased domain or fix the spelling directly. What you can do is change the domain connected to your website, and if you acted quickly within 5 days, you may be able to contact GoDaddy support and get the wrong domain cancelled and refunded. If this saved you time and cleared things up, please like the video and subscribe for more quick GoDaddy and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.